Luxury car market is usually affiliated with countries like Europe and America. And if you're asked about luxury car brands, you would probably name the brands like Mercedes-Benz, Audi, BMW, Rolls-Royce, and Maybach. But what if I told you that there's a brand hidden in plain sight that makes one luxury car that is equal to all of those brands? And in today's video, we are going to dig deep into this legend and find more about it. So, stick to the end of the video and enjoy. Human skin is something that we really took for granted, and if it is taken care properly, it is the best thing that God ever created. Sadly, nowadays every skincare product has like a lot of chemicals in it, which bring a lot of harm to the body rather than good. The Ayurveda experience is the brand made specifically to nourish your skin with natural products. Click the links in the description below so that you may get amazing deals and discount on the products that you buy. That brand is Toyota, and no, I'm not talking about Lexus. The car in question is called Toyota Century, and it is made exclusively for Japanese market and specifically for Japanese royals and elites. From its production to this day, the Toyota Century had gone through 4 generations. The first generation of the Century was unveiled to the world in 1967 and it ended in 1997. Over the course of 50 years, the Toyota Century got many state-of-the-art updates like automatic climate control, hydraulically operated gear shifters, and inclusion of disc brakes. Keep in mind that all these changes were made in the first generation, which ran from 1967 to 1997. The first generation also got various iterations of Toyota's V8 engine. The second generation of Toyota Century came in 1997 and ran till 2017. This generation had the pride of having Toyota's silky smooth V12 engine under the hood, and it does complement the Golden Eagle of Toyota Century. This is the car that got Toyota Century its fame that it is having today. Every royal or elite in Japan loves this car, but Yakuzas also love this car because of its stance and its looks. This generation with a V12 engine was also offered with the CNG. All of my Pakistani subscribers and audience must be enjoying this fact, as once CNG was the go-to fuel for Pakistan, and we saw people in big vehicles like Land Cruisers with 3 or 4 CNG cylinders. So that must be a fun fact for you people. The third generation of Toyota Century was unveiled to the world in 2017 and it went on sale in 2018. This generation of Toyota Century was kept for Japan only, as for previous generation Toyota had tried to sell it outside of Japan but they didn't succeed. The car has all the gizmos and toys of what a luxury car, or should I say a Century, should have. But this time, instead of a V12, they went for a hybrid V8. The new Toyota Century was unveiled at the Tokyo Motor Show in September of this year. It features the design language that is reminiscent of Rolls-Royce Cullinan and Genesis GV80. The production is now limited to 30 units being made each month. And also, it's now more expensive with a price tag of 25 million Japanese yen or 170,000 US dollars. But I think it's a bargain price because you get so much luxuries and amenities in very less amount of money as compared to all the luxury brands. Since it's an ultra luxury Japanese vehicle, getting in and out of the vehicle is an experience in itself. The rear doors don't open in a conventional manner, rather they open in a sliding manner. The side step deployed as we open the rear doors and greeted with an epitome of Japanese luxury. Interestingly, Toyota is also planning on selling a GR version of the Century. Unlike the Rolls-Royce, on which the design language of New Century is based on, or the previous version of the Century, which came with a V8 or a V12, the new Century will come equipped with a hybrid V6. And if you think that if you someday visit Japan and knock on any Toyota's dealer door so that they sell you a Toyota Century, well, you cannot do that, because Toyota has planned that they're gonna showcase the vehicle at selected dealers across Japan. That's it for today, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, press the bell icon so that every time a new video is uploaded, you may get notified. Because if you do, Mr. Beast will give you a special gift, or maybe a Toyota Century. Who knows? Peace.